So it's going to be an exciting day. Got something fun coming for a review. We're going to have a 2020 C8 Corvette. So stay tuned. So for this amount of money in a spec that, you know, you can get base, you can't beat it. You're adding any more money to it. They have the performance packages that bump up a little bit, which this one of course has, and then most of it's trim. Now this one has the carbon roof, which we'll go over as well here in a second. Like I said, the full suede, the gray leather interior, which you'll see again in a second, and full leather everything, and the full Bose system. And I'm here to tell you, it is absolutely amazing. It's comfortable. I'm a little bit of a bigger guy, but I mean, these seats are holding me in no problem. Absolutely amazing. Infotainment system is, of course, again, kind of polarizing with the knobs on the sides there. It's growing on me. I've worked on a couple of these in the shop, and once you're in it, it makes a lot of sense. Of course, you have your screens angled towards you, and then the gauge cluster is fully digital. So let's go over some of that real quick. Okay, so here we are in the interior. So as you can see, this is a 3LT with some nice carbon accents. You've got your full suede interior and suede line top. Very nice, with the gray accents everywhere. Full Bose system with the upgraded seats and wireless charger, and upgraded steering wheel. The interior is a 10 out of 10 for me on these cars. At first, I was a little polarized by this stuff right here. I've worked on a few of them, and I can tell you, once you're inside the car, it just makes sense. One, it keeps you separated from the passenger, makes it very much like a cockpit, and everything is within arm's reach. Infotainment system is aimed right towards you. You've got everything at arm's reach. You know, all of your controls. This one being the trim it is, it has the front cameras, which are easy to see. And then, of course, it's got the front lift. And, of course, your other traction control modes. With the knob, of course, is how you change your mode. So right now we're just in regular mode. We can move it over to sport. You can't hear it right now, but that bumped open the exhaust a little bit. I believe that stiffens up the suspension, and then over into track, which is all business. Very nice. But absolutely amazing on the interior. Let's go for a drive and then get some thoughts. All right, driving this 2020 C8 Corvette. So this is a fun car, not gonna lie. Hard to get our hands on one. I've worked on a few in the shop. I might have a vert coming in soon, but until then, we've got this model. And what can I say? It's an excellent car. I've driven around a little bit before videoing on some straightaways and on some curvy roads, testing out the different modes, and it's just absolutely excellent. Track mode, of course, sounds beastly. You know, I didn't want to push it too hard. Now the roads are drying up, but when I first was driving, it was a little wet. So I didn't go on it too hard. But track mode opens everything up. Everything gets stiff. Went on some curvy roads with some bad pavement in the regular mode, and it's comfortable. I mean, there's the Z that I own is built a little bit for the track, and it's definitely way more stiff than this, just in regular street mode. But you could drive this around like nothing. I mean, you can drive it like an everyday car, and then when you want to get on it, it goes. Let's wait on this Mini real quick. I don't want to go too fast because there's a school here. The paddle shifters, of course, are absolutely instant. If you've seen anything anywhere about these cars, and firsthand, absolutely, they're absolutely amazing. 495 horsepower, 470 foot-pounds of torque. That just gets fun. Well, this person in a Mini Cooper above me must be looking back at us because they were about to pull in front of somebody at a stoplight. Yeah, very fun. What can I say? Absolutely love this car. I would highly recommend it. You can get the base models for very, very cheap. This one's fully decked out, but again, you can't get this kind of performance for the price. So wait on this mail truck. It's mail time. If you have the means, definitely get one. It is choice. But definitely an excellent car. Anything that gives you that kind of smile is a great purchase, in my opinion. I love the car. Hoping to get one in the future, maybe one day, even though the wife doesn't like the styling. Maybe she'll get used to the C7 and want to bump up at some point. Who knows? But anyway, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this drive. And hopefully you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe. That way I can get some more fun stuff on the channel like this, and have more fun. And you guys get to come along for the ride.